From the Bill of Quantities document, by selecting the print option from the file menu, we can choose to print our document. Among the printing options, we can define sheet orientation, margins and font type. We also get a print preview with items and the measurements. Selecting the toolbar icons, we can of course proceed to printing on paper, but we can also export to Word, HTML and PDF file formats. From the Bill of Quantities document view toolbar, by selecting Export feature, you can also save your Bill of Quantities document to the DCF format. In fact, the Save As dialog box is proposed, from where you can browse to a specific folder and specify a file name or choose a different format. The DCF format is the suggested format for saving your Bill of Quantities documents in the native TerMus format, a single small-sized file and easy manageable. You can of course also choose from other format types too. So once you have chosen the desired format and confirmed, the document is then saved. Saving in the DCF format allows you to reopen the file with TerMus, if of course installed on your PC. Now with TerMus you can continue to work adding further measurements or use the advanced printing features.